Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to perform a factory reset operation on your HP OmniBook 7 Flip. To do this, first of all, you have to make sure that your device is connected to the power, and also make sure to back up all the important data from your device to either an external SSD card, SSD drive, or to an external cloud. And then to perform the factory reset, you're gonna have to go to the Start menu, open Settings, then go to System on the sidebar, select Recovery, open the recovery menu, and then click Reset PC next to Reset this PC option. After that, you're gonna have to select Remove Everything if you want to perform the full factory reset, or Keep My Files if you want to perform the settings and apps reset. So if you select Remove Everything, if you are connected to the internet, you will also see this optional page where you'll be able to choose whether you want to reinstall your Windows using system files by going with local reinstall, or using the cloud new copy of Windows. So if you suspect that you have some malware on your computer, or if you are preparing your device for reselling, definitely go with cloud download. It will take a bit more time, but it's definitely worth it. I'm gonna go with local reinstall so that it doesn't take so much time. And after that, on the following page, select Change Settings, and here you'll also be able to wipe your drives completely. To do that, you have to switch the toggle to the right. If you don't toggle it on, it will simply remove your files, which is quicker but less secure, as it says. And if you switch on the Clean Data feature or option, your drives will be completely erased, which will take a lot more time, but it will make your drives harder to recover. And then if you have several disks in your system, just like I do have 2 different disks, then if you want to erase all data from all of your disks, switch this toggle on. And then this one is whether if you want this one is something that we've been through, so whether you want to use system files to reinstall your Windows by switching to no, or download Windows from the cloud by switching to yes. Confirm your choices and then click Next. And then see the list of changes, make sure that everything is right, and click Reset to begin the factory reset operation. Make sure that your device is connected to the power all the time, and just wait until the factory reset operation is finished. And at this point, the factory reset operation is finished. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.